Hey Spirit Boosters, hey Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing? Hope everybody doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, trolleys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share and whatever all the other supportive things you can do for this channel. This channel deserves help, needs help, and would appreciate all the help you can give it. And thanks for all the ones that see that thank thing. It's right up under the video where it says share, like, dislike. It's a word that says thanks, and it's in a heart. And it's a heart, and it has a $sign in it. Thanks for all of you that have donated to me. I just put that up there, so if you didn't have Cash App or PayPal or any means of supporting, you can use that to donate to the channel. And if you do, I appreciate you and thank you very much, because donations help me keep content continuously coming on this channel, and it helps me support my channel by buying things that I need to make these videos that you guys that loyally keep coming back, liked watching my videos. So I appreciate you all, my loyal, continuous supporting subscribers, which I call Spirit Boosters, and any gardening fantastics over today watching this video, thank you too. And don't forget, y'all, I got a garden channel. Everyone, well, most of you guys should know by now, but any looky-loos, passy-bys, and visitors will not. So that's why I keep mentioning it, in case somebody that likes gardening, they want to know where a gardening channel is. I can advertise mine or suggest mine. Okay, so what you guys are looking at is a grocery haul of some things that I'm putting in a stockpile, and some things that just use on a regular basis. It's not a refresh. I don't call it refresh. I'm not refreshing anything. I'm just restocking and replacing stuff that we used up, like the potatoes, celery, bell pepper, onions, fish fry, lemons, stuff like that. And I got a couple of new products up here, and I got some canned goods that's going in the stockpile. And then this item right here, the Zatarain's. I had got a case of Zatarain's, right? And I was on Amazon looking at stuff, and they raised the price if you wanted to get a case of Zatarain's red bean seasoning, one pot red bean. Duh, I can't even speak this morning. It's a 2.4 ounce box. And it's one pot red bean seasoning by Zatarain's. And Amazon got a case of it. They raised that price. That stuff almost $50. I was like, whoa, really? So yes, food prices are outrageous, and they are continuously being raised. The prices are continuously being raised. And like I said, people that are on a budget or use food stamps or whatever, you're gonna have to start becoming clever and creative on how you buy groceries and what you buy. Because if you're not cooking and you getting like snack foods for dinner, like pizza, hot dogs, those ready-made foods, all that stuff is more expensive. But if it's still where you can fit in your budget, have at it. But other than that, you gotta be creative. Come up with ideas on how you gonna have meals for your family, because eating out is very expensive. For my husband and I, when we go to these places like In-N-Out Burger, if y'all know what that is, it's a hamburger stand. They grill their onions, the food is good. But for two people, you might well say it's $20 for two people for a meal, the hamburger, the fries, and the drink. So imagine you got 4 in your family. Nowadays, these women having 12, 19, 20 kids, which I'm not mad at them. Like I told y'all in a previous video, I love kids, but anyway. Anyway, but now, shoot, you gotta have some money to take your kids to eat to these hamburger stands. Like I remember my parents taking us. We used to go to McDonald's and stuff, and burgers. You know, that was in the cents, like a quarter, 15 cents, all that kind of stuff. Sold about 15 cents. Now, shoot, these kids need like $50 just for lunch at school now. Shoot. Stuff is expensive. There's no more 50-cent candy bars. Candy bars almost $2 if they ain't already $2. I don't know about y'all, but I cannot spend $2 for a candy bar. But let me get to this haul, because I had made this video, but I couldn't upload it. So here I am trying to make a video again. But yeah, I got from the food, Amazon Fresh. As you can see the name on here, I got some bell peppers. Multicolored bell peppers. I think it was $3 something for that. And I got some, it's Walmart and Amazon Fresh haul. Okay, so let me see. I can't make this video so long. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so I got to be mindful of how long I make these videos now. I got some celery, that's from Sam's Club. Not Sam's. That's from Walmart, which is affiliated with Sam's Club. But anyway, I got some lemons and some celery and some green onions and some fries. Oh, that came from Walmart. The fries, I don't know, one of them was open. I don't know if I told y'all this or not. 2 of them was open, damaged. But I'm not going to be bad-mouthing Walmart, because I'm rooting for Walmart, because that's still the #1 cheapest store where I consider the cheapest, besides the dollar store, that you can go and get some reasonable price food. Even though the prices are still rising, being raised, price hiked up because of the food shortage and the supply chain issues and lack of employees to help put the product together and stuff, to manufacture, all that stuff. Whole bunch of stuff going on. If you don't know, you're gonna know. It's gonna affect you and anybody else that don't watch the news or don't see it on social media. It's gonna affect you when you take your butt to the store. If you come across this video, and you're gonna see how high stuff is, and especially the eggs. My husband bought a 20-pack egg, used to be $2.50. Now them eggs, that was in Food for Less, it was $5 something. Because I told myself, I need some eggs. It's going to be like gas. We got to get the gas regardless. Well, it is going to matter if it gets to $20. That's like, hey, we can't do that. You got to stay at home if it get to 20. But anyway, but as far as eggs, I need eggs. So I got my little 3 containers, my little 21 storage containers filled up, and I got an overfill little container in the refrigerator for now, because you know this husband of mine, he likes cupcakes, so I'll use my little eggs and cupcakes. Oh yeah, Jenny knows there's substitutes, applesauce, powdered stuff. Right now, Miss Jenita using fresh eggs. Okay, well, they not so fresh, but they eggs, which I like to use. But anyway, let me get to this haul. So what I got up here from Fresh, I got some potatoes. I thought I was getting rusted, but it turns out I got some gold potatoes. This is 5 pounds of gold potatoes. These suckers were, how much was these things? $4. I remember, wait, I don't know. We all remember when this stuff was 99 cents to get 10 pounds. It used to be 2 for $3 over there at Superior. I told y'all, but Superior acting like they were Rouse or Kroger and raising all their prices so expensive. I got a bag of lemons from Walmart and 2 bags from Amazon Fresh. I got some more fish fry, for that came from, that came from Food for Less. So I got Food for Less, Walmart, and Amazon Fresh up here. And as you can see, I got me some Daisy sour cream. I got a small one. I don't like to waste my sour cream. That's like an 8 ounce. I got an 8 ounce Daisy sour cream. What I got here? Dole's tropical fruit is pineapple and papaya. I like papaya, especially when it's not going bad. When that papaya go bad, ooh, that stuff is nasty. But it is so good when it's fresh. So this jar is a 21 ounce Dole tropical fruit, pineapple, and papaya. And I'm thinking, I'm reading papaya, but all this time I've been thinking I was reading, what is it, mango. But I'm cool with papaya. I like papaya. And I got this 8-ounce jar of chili garlic sauce. I'm going to be whipping that on my barbecue with some lemon juice and barbecue sauce. Yes, I am. Y'all ever tried that? Let me know in the comments. You ever tried this Dole's tropical fruit, pineapple, and papaya? Do y'all even like papaya? Do y'all even know how papaya tastes? That stuff good. And as you can see, I got some great value mixed vegetables. I believe that's a, what it say, 14-ounce can. And it's not a pull tab. You got to use a can opener. I got the mixed vegetable medley. And also, I got 2 cans of that. Then I got, I'm trying for the first time this Taco Bell creamy avocado ranch, naturally flavored with other natural flavors sauce. It's a 12 fluid ounce. When I make my tacos, I'm gonna have definitely that, some of that on there with some white onions chopped up. Use some steak meat. Hold up, y'all. Here you heard the message. You heard the tip. Stay in survival mode. Stay in crisis mode. Stay in fair game mode. Watch out for Granny. Watch out for the uppercut. Granny will pull out on you. And last plate mode. All the modes. Most importantly, stay in prepper mode. And y'all stay safe out there in the street. Preserve your money. Be creative when you out there grocery shopping. I got to go. Miss Janita gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.